Hello and welcome to Pentamath. Today I am going to be just experimenting with the solutions of a pretty simple equation. 2x equals y plus 1. So now what I'm going to be doing here is just finding perhaps one pair of solutions to this equation. So what I'm going to do first, just because why not, let's move y to the other side of the equation. 2x minus y equals y. Right, now that we've got this equation, let's square it. So that's just going to be 2x minus y squared equals 1 squared. 1 squared, which is just 1. And if we expand out the left side, that bit over here, that's just equal to 4x squared minus 4xy minus plus y squared. And that is going to be equal to 1 as before. Now we're going to just so that we make this equation easy to factor, but in a different way, we're going to move the y squared back to the other side. So that would make it 4x squared minus 4xy equals 1 minus y squared. Now we can factor both sides actually pretty well. We can factor the left side as 4x times x minus y, or we can factor the right side as difference of squares. That would be 1 plus y times 1 minus y. Now the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to move the 1 plus y from the right side to the left side by dividing it, and then moving the x minus y from the left side to the right side also by dividing it. So let's do that just by moving them across, and then we will get 4x divided by 1 plus y. I'm just going to put brackets around these, and that would be equal to 1 minus y over x minus y. Now you might recognize that on the right side, if we make x equals 1, so if we set x to 1, then it's going to make the right side cancel out very nicely, because then it will just make it equal to 1, because both sides would both become 1 minus y. So let's do that. So let's set x equals 0. So no, x equals 1. Then we're going to make the equation into 4x divided by 1 plus y equals 1 minus y over x minus y. I haven't substituted the x yet. Now we're just going to change it, so that's going to be 4 times 1, and then that's going to be 1 minus y, and of course the right side is just 1. And so now we get, if we just change that 4 times 1, that's just 4 over 1 plus y equals 1. Now we just move the 1 plus y back to the right side of the equation to get 4 equals 1 plus y. And we can easily just solve this as y equals 3. So we have got a pair of solutions, x equals 1 and y equals 3. I know that these aren't the only solutions, however these are our pair of solutions, so let's try substituting it back into our original equation. What was it? 2x equals y plus 1. Right? So then we go. So if we look at it, then it means our solutions would be solution to the equation 2x equals y plus 1. That would be solutions are x equals 1 and y equals 3, or another way we could write this is xy. The ordered pair is just 1 and 3. And so we can just put these back into our original equation. So that would give 2 times 1 equals 3 plus 1. So the left hand side is just 2 and the right hand side is just 4. So we have proved that 2 equals 4.